Hi, I'm Dennis from The Salad Table, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the large salad tower. So firstly we're going to unwrap, unbox and then put everything out on the ground. Now there are quite a few components and there are a couple of bits in this video that might require you to pause and then restart to keep watching. Alright, so here we go. There might be a few components, but it's a very simple process. So the first step, we're going to create our grow rings, I call them. The best way to clip these together is to get them in the upright position like that. Now, if you start at the bottom, pop the bottom section in first, you'll see there, and then clip the top in. Easy peasy. Now we're going to do this with 8 sections per ring. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It might feel like it can go together, but don't do it until you have 8. There we have it. 1 ring, and we do this until we use up all our pieces. And there we have it. We have our second ring. Now we don't want to do anything, don't want to join these up or anything at the moment. We just want to create our 8 rings. There we have it. So for the next part, we want to grab all our little drip trays. And it's really easy, just making sure that your drip tray is facing up. Obviously the hole will be at the top like so, and the drip tray goes down inside here. You'll see there's a couple of little slots underneath each grow hole here, and we just want to pop our little drip tray in there, line her up and just push it in until it seats. And now we want to fit one of these to each grow hole in each grow ring. There we go, the last one. All right. Next part of the job, we want to grab our nutrient container, turn it upside down, get your 4 wheels, and it's as easy as pushing them in like that. Just to get them seated, you might want to just give them a bit of a knock in there, and there we have it. There's our nutrient container. And at the same time, we want to grab our bung, locate the bung hole where it goes, and just screw that in so we don't forget that. Don't want to forget that one, otherwise we'll lose all our water and nutrient when we first fill it up. Nice. All right, now in the bucket you will also find that there's this groove just here. That's for the power cord to go through for our pump. We'll now grab our pump, sit it in the base of the tank, and now run your power cord through that groove just there. We can now grab our base ring. Just ensure that the filler hole just here aligns with the water level indicator just here. That way it makes it easy when you fill it up, you can see how much water's going in. And then we can start popping our rings on. So the first one's really simple at the base. Just sits on there, nice and simple. And then, depending on how long your arms are, don't want to go too far at this stage. I'm going to just put on about 2 or 3. And these rings will join together, just ensuring that you'll hear them lock into place when you pop them in. We'll just click it into position. At this point, also make sure that there's probably a metre or so of cord through the groove in the back there. It just makes it easy to lift the pump up later on to give it a good clean. So at this point we want to grab the end of our plumbing fitting. So this piece of hose here, grab the end without anything on it. We'll get the pump, and we'll slide the feeder hose onto the pump. Now when we get our next ring, we just want to feed the hose through the ring before we put it on. And we'll do the same as we go right up to the top. Now if you are a little bit of a shorty like me, you might need a little bit of a step just to jump on to put the last couple on. So without losing your hose down through the hole, this will be the last bit to go on. Yeah, you may want someone to even hold this hose for you as well. It's now time to grab the feeder ring, and we want to pop the ring onto the feeder pipe here and just spin it on. Our ring is then secured by our little stainless steel clips. So what we want to ensure is our little stainless clips go on every second grow hole. So there, and over there. Not like I've done just here. I'll take that guy off again and put him on here. Once our clips are on, we can then make sure that the holes underneath, you can see the little holes underneath here on the rings, are actually over the top of the holes, the grow holes. Also ensure that your tap at this stage is completely open. When we start running the water, I'll just turn that tap down slightly so that we don't get too much flow. We can now chuck our lid on. The lid's easily removed as well, so you can check your flow just to make sure you don't have any blockages throughout the process whilst you're growing. Well, there you have it. The salad tower is assembled. Nice and easy. Here's your little grow baskets. You pop them straight in here. We've got instructions on our website on how to grow with our grow cubes as well. You can even go down to the local hardware nursery, grab some seedlings, pop your seedlings, after you wash the dirt off, of course, pop them straight in these baskets. There you go, you'll be growing in no time. And also our instructions on how to use your nutrient is on the container and also on our website as well. Enjoy your gardening journey. Thanks again for purchasing our large salad tower.